So I wanted to send this video to you because right now, currently, I am working with a past client who is preparing her home for sale in the next few months. And what we went over at our pre-listing meeting is whether or not she should do repairs to get top dollar. And what we did is we walked around the property and I discussed some things with her that I think needed to be done if she wanted to get her price. Now remember, we're talking $1.5 million that we're going to be listing this property for. But it's all relative. I believe it still is the same when you are talking $400,000, $500,000, $600,000, $700,000 listings. So here are 3 basic tips that I want to give you before you list your property and whether or not you should make repairs. So number 1 is you need to have a sit down with your listing agent to go over everything. Walk through your property, go over the things that you should do and you shouldn't do. Now, obviously, budget is going to play a factor in the matter, but you have options whether to repair or not. And number 2 is choose between cosmetic repairs and maintenance issues repairs. So in other words, cosmetic issues. Like for instance, if you need to liven up your kitchen a little bit, if your kitchen's old, 20 years, 25 years old, has the original countertops, original cabinet knobs, maybe you need to upgrade them to something more modern. So you don't need to totally replace your kitchen or bathrooms, but you do need to spruce them up by modernize them a little bit. And number 3 is doing repairs can expand your buyer pool. Now keep this in mind. Most buyers want a home that they can move into. And if you want top dollar, there are going to be some repairs you will want to do. But most buyers will want the repairs that we will discuss, such as maybe new countertops, new kitchen knobs, maybe a fresh bathroom vanity, putting in new toilets. Things like that buyers truly want. They don't want to buy homes that they're going to have to spend money and put work into it prior to moving in. So there you have it, my top 3 things, whether or not you should do repairs before listing your home. Now remember, you have options. You can sell your home as is, you can make repairs, but before you do anything, please have me or Michelle over. Michelle is my top agent in my office who we do listings together. Please have us over. There's never any cost or obligation. We can sit down and hash all of this out. If you have any questions whatsoever, there is never any obligation to reach out to me, call me. We would love to talk to you. You're never wasting our time. So I hope you enjoyed this video and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.